Hello, my name is Mary Catherine. Today we are going to take a look at a new fastener system, the NoMarr. NoMarr was created to eliminate the possibility of any compromise to your product or its quality finish. NoMarr is the no-scratch, non-marring, surface-protecting fastener system that makes sure your final project is pristine. Using driving tools to install fasteners can cause scratches, scuffs, and marring to your painted, stained, and coated surfaces. It is very distressing when your quality finished product gets marred during installation. Installing with the NoMarr system is a simple 4-step process that naturally mimics the steps you already use to install bolts, so you can protect your surface without adding any extra time or steps to your install. NoMarr is inexpensive, easy to use, and incorporates innovative technology that protects your finished surfaces during installation and assembly. Sold as part of our fastener kits, NoMarr is available with different fastener sizes and finishes and can be ordered by itself or as a complete system, which includes the NoMarr and fasteners. NoMarr will work on most materials including aluminum, wood, steel, or plastic when installing bolts or fasteners. If you are a professional or DIY warrior, NoMarr will help you get the job done. Thank you for watching this quick look video featuring the NoMarr. For more product information and innovations from Federal Brace, visit www.federalbrace.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.